one important thing to do on the device after we install it will be enter the device via SSH. This could be done in two ways. One will be just go directly using the root user and the IP address of the device. With that configuration, you are going to enter to the PBR SDK container directly, and you cannot see any other container, only what is inside that one. And the password is going to be Pantabox, like that, Pantabox. And well, as you can see here, you will have the revision that the device is running, the status of the device, the IP address, and the mode that is running. Basically, the PBR SDK is to run and maintain a Pantavisor enabled device without going to the cloud. It's trying to do everything local. It's more about the local experience, and I won't be using it now. The other way to use the SSH to enter all the containers that are running on inside the device will be by setting up your SSH public key as PBR SDK authorized keys on the device user meta. I would do it with my SSH that I already have. And I will set up that as set here. Yeah. After I created this configuration for the device is going to download this, and I will be able to do now SSH through the port 8222, and I can go to any of the containers that are running inside the device. Oh, I already had a key here. And this is the AW Connect. Basically, it's a Debian container, yeah, for R64, sorry, and I can do one. I don't know. I already have wget, but you know what I mean. It's a normal Debian based configuration, and we will be able to enter to any of the containers. I can go to the PBR SDK using my SSH key too, and I will have the same thing I had by going to the port 22 and the user. Now that we have this set up, we can go and create a Tailscale account in order to install and configure Tailscale on our device.